Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwayemisi if you already haven't met me, and yeah, so people call me Shante. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome. Why don't you just click on that subscribe button down below since you're here already. You can check out my videos. You can just feel comfortable, just feel at home. You don't have to rush and go, you can just take your time, like check out what I have, watch today's video, and I promise that you'll enjoy. Yeah, I promise that you'll enjoy. So I'm back again with a new video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you like a very easy and quick glam that I do on myself when I'm in a hurry, most especially when I'm going to church. I want to be as quick as possible, and believe me, like when I do my makeup, I take my time. So when I'm in a rush or I want to just do something and at the same time still look good, this is the kind of look that I'll go for. And in this video as well, I'm also going to be showing you a couple of new products that I received. I'm going to be trying them out, and yeah, we're just going to be doing this together. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if that be the case, I guess I'll see you when I'm all glammed up. Yeah. Starting off first of all with my brows, I'm going to be using the Zaron eyebrow stick. That's what it is called. I think this is in the shade EZ22, and this NubanBeauty spoolie, just to brush up my brows and then fill them in with the pencil. So to clean up my brows, I'm going to be using some concealer. Okay, so now that I'm pretty okay with my brows, I'm just going to go into the FinalCutPro gel, and I'm going to be using that to set my brows in place. Yeah. So now I'm going to move straight to the eyes, and for that I'm going to start off first by applying some concealer on my eyelid area. Next I'm going to be setting with some powder. So now that I'm pretty comfortable with that, I'm going to be going straight into my eye makeup. I'm just going to be using this MOF 350M palette, simply because it has all the neutral and warm colors that just make like an everyday look easy. And I'm just going to be using two colors from this palette because, as I mentioned, this is a very simple look. I'm not going to be doing too much. I'm going to be using this color and this color respectively. Like they are like shades of orange. One is warmer than the other. I'm going to be using the warmer one, which is this one right here. I think I'm going to have a picture on the screen to transition. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics and it's my Ringlight brush set to do this, like a blending brush from the brush set. I'm just going to use this to transition. Now I'm taking my time to blend this very well so that it blends seamlessly and there are no harsh lines. Just going to do the same to the other eye. Okay, so now that I have that transition puppet, as I said, this look is very simple. I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. This acts as a primer. I'm going to use my fingers, tap onto it to get some on my fingers, and I'm going to pat that on my eyelid area. Now I'm ensuring that I blend this very well so that there are no harsh lines between where the lid color and transition colors will meet. Okay, so now I'm going to take the small eyeshadow brush from the NubanBeauty brush set, and I'm going to be using this color right here. This one right here is a very light orangey shade, and I'm going to be packing that on my lid space. Now the reason why I'm dragging my eyes is because I want the eyeshadow to get into all the creases in my eye area so that it doesn't start to crease from there. So I'm just like trying to fill up all the creases there. That works for me. And so the last thing I'm going to do to the eye, because I said it was very simple, is to take the first blending brush that I used and just blend both the transition color and the lid color together. I'm blending the points at which they meet. And I added a bit of the transition color that I used earlier on to just make it blend more easily. And yeah, that's basically all I'm doing to the eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead to pop on my lashes. And for today, I'm going to be using these lashes. It's called the Cherish lashes. I got them from Teeka4. It's an online store that you can buy like makeup and all of that. Yeah, they sent this to me and the contact lens which I'm wearing right now. So you want to make sure you check them out and get your beauty supplies, makeup brushes, and all of those good stuff. So I'm going to have their website linked in the description box. This is what their packaging looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead to pop on these lashes and then I'll be right back. So now that my lashes are on, I kind of like them. They're very wispy and not so full because I don't have any eyeliner on. So I like how they're making my eyes look right now. Even though for some of you it might be a little bit too long, but I don't mind long lashes. So I'm going to be blending my falsies with my real eyelashes with this Zaron mascara. This mascara, the one is like really amazing. It's so tiny, it gets every bit of the hair. So now quickly moving on to the face. I'm done with the eyes for now. I'm going to go ahead to prime my face and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my face is primed, the first thing I'm going to do is to try to correct my dark circles and hyperpigmentations. And for that, I'm using my LA Girl Orange Corrector. So now that my face is corrected, I'm going to move on quickly to foundation. For foundation, I have this 3 shades from Zaron Cosmetics. It's a new foundation formula. One is light, one is about medium, and the third one is the dark one. I really don't know which shade I'm going to use because I don't know if I have an exact shade in these 3, but I'm just going to try to make it work. I'm just going to be swatching them on my area to know like which one I'm going to use. I hope you can see. So this is the FZ05, which is way lighter than my skin tone, like way light. Then we have FZ25, and that is that one below the FZ05. It looks a little bit too yellow, but I think I can still make this work. This looks like something that I can potentially be using. And then the shade FZ45. This is way darker than my skin tone. So I'm just going to try to work with FZ25 right now and see if I can live with that. Today I'm going to be using the beauty sponges from By.BMO. This is a set and they have like different shapes and sizes of beauty blenders. Like it is so pretty and cute, trust me. Different colors, different shapes. I already took out one which I used to blend out my orange corrector, and these are the rest. We have the pink, the green, different sizes and different shapes. This is one of it, and when you wet this, they actually expand. This is another one, so you can put your finger into it and use it to blend out the concealer. That is what I'm going to be using today to blend out my concealer. So for today I'm going to be using this one that is shaped like this for my foundation. It has like 2 flat ends and a round bottom, and then I'll be using this finger one for my concealer. Yeah, so I'm going to start with very little just to be sure that we're going to be good. I'm going to try to blend this out with a flat end from the foundation and see. Yeah, what do you guys think? I think it's a little bit yellow for me, but I can work with it. Like I can work. So let's just get this all over the face. So looking at this on camera, it looks way too yellow. Like it doesn't look this bad in real life. But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to actually take the dark foundation and just put that like at the perimeters of my face. I'm just going to do a little bit of the dark foundation, just a little bit, and just use that to blend out. So looking at it now, it doesn't look too bad anymore because I've been able to like take down a bit of the yellowness. And the formula of this foundation I quite like. It's very moisturizing. It's not extremely matte. It's velvety. Yeah, that's the word. Okay, now moving on to highlighting my face. I also have 3 of the Zaron concealers. These are new and they have in the shade light, medium, and deep as well. Just 3 shades. This is what the light looks like. I'm going to be swatching it here. Then the medium just right after that looks like this, which has like a yellow undertone. That's what I'm likely going to be using. And this is the deep, which has like a yellow and an orange undertone. So to highlight my face, I'm definitely going to be using the medium today. And yeah, if you still think that this foundation looks a little bit too light, which I think myself, I want a bit of like orange. It's going to blend out when I contour and then I do all the other things. So I'm blending with the finger beauty blender. And this is actually helping me to get to the inner corner of my eyes without like necessarily poking and making me uncomfortable. So now that this is blended to a certain extent, I'm going to go back into the foundation brush and I'm just going to use that to blend all the edges. Okay, so this is the first time I'm going to be using this concealer, and I quite like the fact that it blends very easily. It's not too light, like it has a nice undertone, and it kind of like lightly highlights my face. I think I'm going to be using this a lot now. I'm still going to do a wear test on it today to see like how it holds up and everything. So far it hasn't creased and I haven't set, but I'm going to go right to set now so that it doesn't start to crease. And I'm setting with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder and this tapered brush from the NubanBeauty brush set. Yeah, so I actually forgot to contour, so I'm just going to stop here right now and then chisel out my face. For my contour now, I'm going to be using the darkest shade of the foundation. It looks like it's going to be dark enough for me to contour with. So I'm going to take the bottom of this beauty blender that I've been using since, and I'm going to use that to like blend this all out. Okay, so now that that is out of the way, I'm going to go back to setting, and I'm just going to use this to further bake my under eye. To set my contour, I'm going to be using the velvety cacao powder and the contour brush from the NubanBeauty brush set. Now for my waterline, I'm going to be using the marble pencil in black. And then I'm going to be using the transition shade that I used earlier on. I'm going to be using it to smoke out the black that I just applied in my under eye area. Now for my bottom lashes, I'm going to be going in with some mascara. Now I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques powder brush and the Zaron Maxi Blend Compact Powder just to dust off the excess powder on my face and just blend out everything. Okay, so now that it's time to get my glow on, I'm going to be using my handy dandy eye candy illumination palette and these two favorite colors of mine here. I'm going to be using that to glow up my face. So I'm going to be applying a little bit of the highlights on my inner corner as well, just to open up my eyes. And for blush, I'm going to be using my MAC blush in Breezy. I'm just going to be applying that somewhere around here, up to my temple. Just like this. Now to set my face before I move on to my lips, I'm going to be using the NubanBeauty Seal It Makeup Fixing Spray. So for my lips, I'm first of all going to be lining with the Colourpop Sleepy Pencil in K. And I'm going to be following that up with this new matte lip stain from Zaroncosmetics. It is one of the nude lip stain collections that I have, and this is in the shade. I'm just going to use my fingers to blend the color into the lip liner. Yeah, I really like this lip color. So nude. Okay, so now I'm going to go fix up my hair, wear something, and then I'll be right back to show you guys the finish. So I'm back, guys, and this is the finished look. This is a look that I'm going to recommend when you want to look all glammed up, but at the same time you don't want to do too much. You just want to have like 2 colors on your eyes, and then you're ready to go. No eyeliner, so you're quick, and at the same time you're glammed up. So people don't know that it didn't take you that long, but then you know the secret. Yeah, So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Just a recap, I used like the lashes and the contact lens from www.Teeka4.com, yeah, which is an online store for beauty products, brushes and makeup tools and all things beauty. And then I used like a lot of Zaron products as well. I used the foundation, the concealer, mascara, lipstick and all that good stuff. These are products that I'm just trying for the first time, and I'm not mad at any of the products. I struggled with the foundation, getting it to suit my shade because I didn't have my exact shade. At the end of the day, it's not looking bad at all. Like, I like the finished skin work, I like the formulation of the concealer and the foundation. It gave me a nice finish, and pretty cool with that. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and you learned one or two things. I hope you can recreate this look and you let me know. I hope you subscribe to this channel, leave a comment for me below, give this video a thumbs up, and then you keep coming back because we are going to be having a lot of stuff, and I can assure you that each video is going to be unique in its own way. Yeah, let's just put it that way. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video.